friends, today we are going to learn how to crochet this stitch. These are little flowers with 6 petals. In this video we are going to learn how to do it. To make a crop top we will need some rows of these flowers. For this you can use the material of your own choice. I am going to use 3.5 mm hook. To start, we are going to make a chain of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. In the sixth stitch, I am going to do a slip stitch to form the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chain stitch. Take the yarn 3 times on your hook. 1, 2, 3. Knit 2 double treble incomplete crochet. 1. Take the yarn 3 times on your hook in the same circle. Knit 1 more incomplete double treble crochet. There are 3 loops on the hook. Take the first loop of remaining 6 chain. Insert the hook, pull through all 4 loops to make the first petal of the flower. Knit 8 chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take the yarn 3 times on your hook. In the same circle, I am going to knit double treble crochet 4 together to form the second petal of the flower. This is the second petal of the flower in the same circle. Knit 8 chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take the yarn 3 times on your hook. I am going to knit 4 incomplete double treble crochet in the same ring. Two, 3, 4. There are 5 loops on the hook. Pull through all 5 loops. These are 3 petals of the flower. For the next half circle flower, I am going to knit 20 chain stitch. Locate chain number 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Insert your hook, drag the yarn and pull through. This is the second circle. Knit 6 chain stitch, count as 1 double treble crochet. Knit 2 more incomplete double treble crochet in the circle. Locate chain number 6, insert the hook, drag the yarn, pull through all the loops. This is the first petal of the flower. Knit 8 chain stitch for space between two petals. Knit incomplete 4 double treble crochet for the second petal. There are 5 loops on the hook. Pull through all 5 loops. Knit 8 chain stitch for space between two petals. Repeat the pattern of the 4 incomplete double treble crochet for the third petal. I close everything together. These are 2 half circle of the flower. Knit 20 more chain stitch to knit the next half circle of flower. In the 6th stitch, knit a slip stitch, six chain stitch. Repeat the pattern of 3 leaves and make 8 chains between each of them. In the 6th chain, knit a slip stitch. Eight chain stitch. This is the second petal of the flower. Continue to knit 3 petal half circle till the desired length of the row. Now we are turning back to complete the half circle with the help of 3 more petals in the same circle. Knit 8 chain stitch. Knit the fourth petal of the flower with the help of double treble 4 together. Eight chain stitch. This is the fifth petal of the flower. Eight chain stitch for space between two petals. This is the sixth petal of the flower with the help of 4 incomplete double treble crochet. There are 5 loops on the hook. Pull through all 5 loops. Knit 4 chain stitch. Count 4 chain from left and 4 chain from right. In the middle, join this with single crochet to complete the first circle of the flower. Four chain stitch. Repeat the pattern of 3 petals in the next half circle. Continue your work all the way across till the end of the row. At the end of the row, knit 8 chain stitch. Join the starting point with slip stitch.